Did you know that within the next 30 days, with your commitment and AI, you will be learning a new skill? Yes. And this is how I am going to do it. So I have a pre-written prompt of what I want to learn. So I'm going to take it first of all to ChatGPT. Now, what do I want to achieve in ChatGPT? I want to broaden my prompt. I want to enhance and make my prompt more detailed. So I'm going to paste that on ChatGPT. It reads, I want you to help me write an effective prompt that I can use to understand the financial market, stocks, bonds, mutual market funds specifically. I want you to curate tasks, exercises, and assignments in the course of this. Recommended YouTube videos for additional learning. There should be a dedicated 1 to 2 hours of learning every day. And other things that are required to make this prompt effective and strong to cover all I need to know about the financial market within the next 30 days. I want more detail to this prompt. I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. As you can see, the result that ChatGPT gave us. Once this result is out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this prompt, this detailed prompt now, and I'm going to take it to Gemini. So I'm going to send it this prompt. The reason I'm going to Gemini is because Gemini is Google AI, obviously, and the potential and the possibility of having access with real-time information as it is related to my learning and ability to easily connect with YouTube, which I would want to get some YouTube tutorial videos concerning the financial education and financial knowledge that I want to learn from now to the next 30 days. Once I paste my prompt, my learning starts. This is because ChatGPT had already broken down my learning journey. It has broken it down. As you can see, the results, my learning journey has started. But there is one thing I noticed. Gemini gave me YouTube video recommendations and suggestions, but there is no link. There are no links to those videos. So what I'm going to do is, in this case, I'm going to use a voice prompt and I will ask it to give me the link to this video. Hi Gemini, while recommending the YouTube videos, I want you to always add their links for me to easily connect from there. That will be all. You saw me do exactly like that now, and you can see that Gemini has given me links to those videos. So in this case now, I'll be able to always look at the base at the end of your prompt or the answer your AI will give you. There are always base suggestive questions which it is asking you. So you can always advance, take it further from there, and go ahead, ask it more questions based on the suggestions or based on what you learned, based on what you're learning. Whether you choose to use ChatGPT or Gemini in this context, it does not really matter. But in this my case, I want to use Gemini because I want to watch videos. And you can see Gemini just gave me what I needed. So let me know. Did you enjoy this video? Did you learn one thing? Let me know in the comment section. In the next 30 days, I am going in for a financial education using AI. I want to know what you will be learning. Let me know that in the comment section. I'm leaving a link to the prompt I used in the comment section. So if you want to use that template, you can go down, click the first link in this video, and you are going to have access to the prompt that I used. I want you to do 2 or 3 tasks as always. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Tell your community what you've been learning. Let your friends know what you've been learning, and see you in my next video.